குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநெல்லியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. நம்பர் 1. If there is other malefic lord in Hari's house. Answer. It is sign of inaction. Even doing so will not bring any benefit to the horoscope, but through horoscope it will give benefits and gain to the next person. 7th Lord Leo for Aquarius, Surya Lagnam. Even if Saturn is expected, same result does not help self but helps other. Out of the 12th malefic lord, any malefic lord in Aries will not benefit the horoscope. It is a philosophical rule that when Bhava Lord is in another Bhava Lord house, the action of that house, the Karakatva of that house, when we activate it, the Karakatva of this Bhava will develop of awaken. When the Bhava starts working wherever the 10th Lord is seated, then the 10th Lord will be activated and the 10th Lord will develop. 10th Bhava Lord sits in the 6th Bhava when he starts researching, developing himself, improving himself, competing with ourselves, how we were yesterday and how we are today. How was our knowledge a week ago? How much development now? How much knowledge development we had a year ago? How much knowledge and skill have we developed today? The difference between experience and wisdom is like this itself. There is a lot of self cultivation and refinement, innovation in things. Career will flourish. 6th things related to sign our exam duty. Whenever we run the 6th sign, our business will develop. If the 7th Lord sits in the 4th Bhava, then the 7th signful Lord signing marriage. The 4th sign is to act to begin with. The matter of the 7th signful marriage is the beginning. It will develop, it will wake up, it will start to act. 4th bad things like house, land, car, vehicle, property to create, sell the existing property and make another new one, buying property, starting to learn a new trick, studying fresh higher education is the 4th such sign involved. When things start working, then 7th Bhava Garaha works naturally. 7th Lord in 4th house, those who have matrilineal family relationship will find suitors through it. The 4th sign is seeking a group through contact. Choosing it, the horoscope is in hand. But this is what the pay off like this. 3rd Bhava movement is 7th Lord is in 3rd Bhava. The 7th sign runs through the neighborhood of the nature of the 3rd sign, householder, younger brother, telecommunication, social friendship through websites is the 7th Lord in this 3rd house. 3rd sign of sitting will result in a groom. In the 2nd sign, Attamapadi sat down to develop polling station. Senior mother, uncle, through these people will be born. When the 7th Lord is placed in Lagna, it is one those who begins to realize themselves. Then seek the Lord. The profession of setting up the field will be activated. The 7th Lord, when trying to go to abroad, if placed in 12th, abroad permanent life, abroad when trying to live permanently while trying to survive, rush for medical expenses, or when studying medicine. When starting to study medicine, the 12th sign is when engaging in good deeds, then the 7th sign will arise for them and start working. If the seventh lord is in the 11th house, grooms will be through friends, stepfather, elder brother. He is circle of friends. If the seventh lord is in the ninth bhava, higher education, father, foreign travel, spiritual journey will be done through this. Next, damage to life, loss of limb. Answer. The sixth sign is Sanjaram. Sixth sign, if there is a problem at work, minor Lagna. If there is a problem related to Mars, see which house the 11th Bhava is from Aries to Pisces and which house is the root train house. Virgo 6th house has Saturn karma permanently and Moon karma regard permanently. Libra 7th Bhava, Venus is cursed by house deity combined with Moon karma. 9th Bhava has Sagittarius, Jupiter, Rahu karma regards. The 11th sign has the karma of Aquarius, Saturn and Mars karma. The 12th sign Pisces house, Kedu root train house, Sun has karmic registration and double married dosa. 4 houses do not comes as root train houses for any planet: Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn. 3, 4, 8, 10. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. Remember these numbers want these 8 planets belong to any house as the root train house and bearing that karmic record. Whatever karmic record time of God has to be seen in relation to this sign. Next, young widow. Answer. Aquarius 11th Bhava, Saturn planet, trigonal house, Mars karma. Wherever this 11th Bhava is seated, there is Mars karma significance. Mars karma significance influenced by 11th sign, 11th lord and also any star combination. In 4th star having Mars karma, Lagana lord in sign star. If in contact, then the horoscope will have black Mars sign contact. These are two terms to know through whom this Martian karma record comes to us. Which family comes through which gene? Number 1. That planet Saturn is seated and in which bhava it is seated. Number 2. 11th bhava, 11th lord is sitting where he is sitting in your horoscope and with which planet he is sitting reference. By understanding this, we can know through which family the karma record of Mars has come. If the 11th lord is placed in the 4th house in the horoscope with Mars karma, it means that the karma record of Mars has come from the maternal family. If the 11th lord or Lord Saturn is placed in the 7th bhava, it means that the 7th bhava is great grandfather. Mother and mother are related through that gene. That is the proof of this. Out of the 9 planets, Saturn is the only one that has acquired Mars karmic record. If Saturn is on Lagna or Saturn is in 7th bhava, then marriage will take place because Saturn Mars has acquired karmic record. So their marriage is delayed. This is how to find out that someone is delaying marriage due to sign. 11th Bhava, the 11th Lord can give this impression. Unmarried people who get married very late. With their Lagna, 7th Bhava, 11th Bhava, 11th Lord will be associated. Is it only late marriage, childhood, widowhood, separation of husband and wife? Who is it for in a woman's horoscope? If Lagna Lord sign is placed in Kartigai, Puram, Moolam and Revati stars, then the woman will have Mars karma record in this situation. 11th Lord or 11th house is mixed with Lagna or 2nd house in the horoscope of the woman or Saturn joins 1 to 11th Lord joins 11th house, Saturn joins It is this woman who is at risk of getting her hands on Mangaliam. It should not be called a young widow as soon as it is taken, because the husband's life will speak there if one or two bhavas with the 11th bhava and with the 11th lord, or if there is Saturn. Mars will reveal the karmic power. Lagna Lord sign stars with Mars karma mixed star is move vigorous. Vigorous. Next question. Details of the fourth sign. Answer. Building a house is the fourth sign. Whether property, car or vehicle is our earned property. Whether someone else has bought property in our name or bequeathed property, or whether it is property that can be our responsibility. Nadi astrology account. She said that the fourth lord is going to touch the eighth bhava lord. Eighth bhava is accident and death. The biggest things are eighth bhava. If the fourth sign touches the eighth sign, the fourth sign will get some help through the action of the eighth sign. When the fourth bhava lord touches the eighth bhava lord, then buy house property, insurance, pension, BF money coming from eighth bhava garagam, volunteer retirement, money built up through insurance, house property, fourth character are completed and developed with the money available through eighth bhava garagam. If this is the eighth bhava lord touching the fourth bhava lord, it should be matched in the same way. The fourth sign is getting insurance through education, vehicle, home, property. Eighth bhava is secret, supernatural, ugly, shame, punishment. If that lord touches the fourth lord, or the eighth lord sits in the fourth bhava, whenever these days direct sign, then the eighth bhava is activated. Next question. Example horoscope. Answer. Mars is the setting star of Jupiter karma. Saturn's picture star is Venus karma. Marriage ban, late marriage, marriage life problem, separation of husband wife at young age, with widowhood, any karmic record for this horoscope. Mars karma sign correspondence. Lagna Lord 3 4 Lord 1 3 4 6 together sitting in 11th Bhava Mercury Mars exchange. Horoscope married at the age of 30 to 31. Horoscope wife also marries him at the age of 30. Both are same age. Both have late marriage. Karagam for this delay is Mars. Karagam Venus for marriage. The Lagna Lord is seated in the fifth house. Seventh Lord Venus is in Aquarius for this horoscope. This is an example of late marriage for both people. This karmic record is witness to the delayed marriage in their lives. Saturn is in the 11th bhava. 3 4 Lord horoscope has a younger brother. He was employed in a company before 1984. 6 years he left the job due to that job crisis. After that he is looking for a lot of work. He did not get a job. Still not married due to lack of job. Now 35 years old, he is third Lagna. Saturn is in 11th house, but he is Pisces Lagna. Lagna Jupiter 10th sign is Sagittarius. Saturn Jupiter conjunct Libra. Saturn aspecting Lagna. Third aspect 111 conjunct. This is a solid evidence of Mars block record. Late marriage, not getting married. This is the evidence of drifting away. Next, being dualistic to both. Answer. Mars, Jupiter and Saturn are three aspected. Sun, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, Venus are aspected. Some people say that Rahu has 3, 7, 11 aspects. By Dharadosam system, if stars are Pusam, Ashlesha, Bhuratadi sign and Lagna Lord is placed in one of them, then there is definitely Dara system in the lineage. More than 2 marriages Rahu Karma. Ashilesha Purubhadra Sun Karma. Double married system. Approved Sun Karma. Unapproved marriages indicate. Ninth Bhava, ninth Lord, 12th Bhava, 12th Lord. We select these two Lagna Lord sign star in which born in Pusam, Ashilesha, Purubhadra stars and 1912. 19112. Relationship is two-wire system. What would the adversary be like that without lordship contact? Number 1, 1912. Number 2, Lagana Lord when 19112 in 9th Bhava or 12th Bhava. Number 3, Lagana Lord 9th Lord or Lagana Lord 12th Lord getting conjunct or other planetary conjunct without 7th Lord. Number 4, Lagana 9th Lord and 12th Lord in opposite house 4, 10, 3, 9. This is sitting in another Bhava and viewing it is Sama Sabdama view. 1, 9, 1, 12 viewing as Sama Sabdama 7th Bhavam. From opposites Graha will affect Lagana Lord if this double house is present unless the 7th house is involved in the triple combination. There is no 7th sign. When it comes to the 7th sign, connections comes. If Lord of Lagana 912 is present, then 7th will attack Bhava. If this is the case, both of them will be double-edged. Question: people who are talented in singing. Answer: there are many people who are vocal. Singing is the only planet associated with singing talent. Mars and Ketu are lords of Sabdaswaras. Mars is the god of hymns. If there is Mars or Ketu in the 10th house from Lagna, it means that they have knowledge of Sangeet. For those whose talent for singing is more than the power of Mars. There is, if one has to have a good voice, then without Jupiter, Mars plus Jupiter double strength, there will be no ability to sing. Karahan Jupiter for throat area. God for Sangeet is Mars and Jupiter. Those who have the power of these two planets are the ones who have the wisdom of Sangeet. According to this, if Venus plus Mars plus Jupiter are these three planets do go to the cinema industry, do go to the music connect concert, then the singer can become famous in the cinema industry. Venus trine house Libra. Aquarius is the house with Mars karmic sign. 2, 7, 11. There must be an 11th sign. Lord Saturn is in Lagana as the second sign is strong. The power of Mars is strong. The 11th Lord is as strong as the 11th Lord can go into the music sector. 11th Bhava, 11th Lord conjunction with 10th Lord conjunction with 10th Lord. Planet Saturn in Karma Lord Mars is strongly associated with 10th Bhava. Whether there is business related 11th Bhava, 11th Lord is strong. Note also the connection with the 10th sign. Saturn Lord, 2nd Lord, 11th Lord, these three planets are strong and all three planets are connected with the 10th house or connected with the 10th house and strong. To enter the cinema industry, one must have a Venus karma record. Only if this is the case, one can stand in the cinema industry. God of music is Mars karma. The god of cinema is Venus karma. In addition to this, the lord of the second sign and the 11th sign and the lord of the 11th must be in conjunction with the 10th sign or Saturn in the 10th sign. Next question. Transfer of karma. Answer: 3, 4, 8, 10. These four planets do not have Mula Trigona house. 1 to 5 Jupiter karma, 6th bhavam Saturn moon karma, Aquarius 11th sign Mars karma. This is way 4th 11th bhava 11th lord Lagna. If Lagna lord is in conjunction, then marriage will be delayed. Mars karma, Mars has karma. This is how we relate to all sign. 1 11 11 1. If there is this connection, Mars karma connection. Now for the 11th bhava Jupiter karma connection, 11th bhava Jupiter karma connection, 11th bhava or 11th lord gets Mars karma for Laganam. Jupiter karma registration is available for 11th bhava through Lagana lord. When one bhava lord is sitting in another bhava lord house and another bhava lord is sitting in our house, there is no problem. If these two bhavas are not placed in Moola Trigona house for any other crush, 3, 4, 8, 10 is not a triangular house. The other 8th bhavas 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12 and the 8 planets are Moola Trigona houses. Now how to know that karma is transferring from one place to another place? How do we find the impact of one karma affecting another sign? This conduct can be found. Example, 11th lord is sitting in Lagna. Now the karma of Mars has come to Lagna. Cancer Lagna, 11th lord Venus is in Lagna. Now he will be affected by Mars karma sign. Now the Jupiter karma record is available for the 11th bhava. This is the genetic record. Physical health disorders are passed down from generation to generation. It is an invention of medicine, but from one generation to another, genetic astrology is the proof of how karma is transmitted. That's all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.